Welcome back, my friends. In this video, we are gonna learn how to say no in Turkish. So, let's get started. There are different ways to say no. The first one is hayır. Hayır. Hayır. Hayır. No. The most common and straightforward way to say no. The second way is yok. Yok. Yok. No. Casual way to say no. Yok also means there isn't, but here we are learning how to say no. Yok. Değil. Değil. Değil. Not. It can be used to negate or say no in some contexts. Değil. Not. Olamaz. Olamaz. Olamaz. It can't be or impossible. It is used to express strong denial. If you want to ignore or deny something, you can say olamaz. It can't be. Impossible. That is what it means. Olamaz. Asla. Asla. Asla. Never. It is used to emphasize no or denial. Hiçbir şekilde. Hiçbir şekilde. Hiçbir şekilde. By no means or in no way. Kesinlikle hayır. Kesinlikle hayır. Kesinlikle hayır. Absolutely not. Strong denial. If you want to deny something, you just say kesinlikle hayır. Absolutely not. Mümkün değil. Mümkün değil. Mümkün değil. It's not possible. It is used to indicate something is not possible. Mümkün değil. It's not possible. Mümkün değil. Affedersiniz. Excuse me. Affedersiniz. It is used to politely decline or refuse something. For example, if someone says something to you, please, can you do this to me? You can just say, affedersiniz. That's it. And they will understand. Üzgünüm. Üzgünüm. I'm sorry. Üzgünüm. Used to express or regret or refusal in a polite way. For example, someone wants you to do something for them or they are requesting something. If you cannot do, if you don't feel comfortable, you can just say, üzgünüm. They will understand that you don't want to do it. So, üzgünüm, I'm sorry. It is another way to say no. It is polite way. So friends, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. İzlediğiniz için teşekkür ederim.